Okay guys, we're about to play Roblox Draw Me Part 2. Roblox Draw Me for Brain Rot. Draw Brain Rot. This one. This is the part 2. Draw your brain rot. I wish we can do this one. Tungtong sahur. Draw your brain rot. Alright, we're gonna play Draw Brain Rot. Gonna continue part 2. So slow. Gameplay pause. There. Oh. Okay. That's all.
Strawberry flamingi. Strawberry flamingini. Strawberry flamingini.
Then pink.
Strawberry flamingini.
Oh no, a little time left. Go, go, go. There's a little time left.
Strawberry flamingini.
Oh no, we got the fruit. There, we did it second time. Mine is kind of bad. I'm picking nothing. The hell? How did that win? Oh, okay, this is kind of good. Let's pick that. 3. Mine. Three mine is gonna win again. Like in the other part, I won. Pick this. Okay. Gonna be mine. Why is it? What? This is no pick that. Mine. Oh, I didn't won. I'm second. How did this guy win? So bully. Walang gawa. Oh my god, I didn't. So, this be easy. Hello, Doreen. Oh, stop. I need to draw. Ah. Tabi, tabi. Okay. Hi. Look, kind of bad. Oh my god. What is Oh, people. What are we going to find? And I read it again. What? Should be that left of the I'm not going. There's somebody to here. Oh, right. That's the five. Wow, this road. What the? Still one.
Still two. Oh, mabasok ang cellphone ko, gagawa lang ay.
Di ba maputi?
Yun, ano na, oh.
Last round! Oh, I'm second. Oh my god, why again? Choose Baynard? Yes, pick one. How about Tungtung? Oh my god, you need to spend Robux. I'm done with this game. Let's play another game. I make slap. Let's play Tower of Hell. Who's much more better? Can you beat my score? Who's much more better in Tower of Hell? Alright. We're here. Oh. 4 minutes only. Let's go. Ay, stupid. And the black arrow. Oh, the time is going very fast.
Doon ka, oh, may bangkay na dun, oh. Doon, ang sakit ng pa ako.
It's going very fast. Oh, where did it go? Oh. don't want to swim. Let's play grow a garden. Play. Ilan taon na yan? 1? 10 na. Once. Blake. Ang payat ng yun. Alright. Let's go here. Yan ang kayitan. Let's play grow a garden. Win or leave 10. Tapos ako.
Mura, ha?
Walang.
Pwede sa ulo.
Let's
Kay
play
ang panahon mo.
grow a garden.
Dahil bunga yan.
12 hours. Busy bees. Alright, grow a garden is taking so long. Guys, let's revive grow a garden. It's being replaced by still a brain rot. Skip tsunami for brain rot. There, finally. Oh my god, what did I do again? Oh my god. It's almost 13 minutes. So taking so slow. Finally. Uy, I know I already played this game. The garden. Where's the trading? Let's kill the wasps. Talk to some by card seeds. Into garden, plant them, I know. Oh my god. Let's go to this tent. What's this? Wow, I got 31 how? Okay. And let's switch. Oh wait, where is the switching one? Oh yeah. Switch to honey garden. I switch my honey garden. 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch it. Forget I hatched a bee. Okay. Remove this. Hatching. Why is it like that? What happened? What happened? What happened? I can't see anything. Nah. No, I can't leave. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I don't know why is it like this, but it's the end of the video. Bye.